salad.
Now it's ready.
Okay, again.
The big one, the ever.
Wow. Galing mo ah. Helping mommy.
Huh?
What are we making?
Salad.
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 What kind of salad?
I can eat salad paper with. Is it more?
We're doing carrot cucumber salad.
Look!
Oh, put it there na.
It's like
Paper.
thumb.
Oh, dali na. You help mommy. Slowly. Chef Trevor, slowly.
I got the big one in the ever.
The suka. The vinegar. Okay. A little bit more. Okay, that's enough. The salt. Okay. A little bit. Now you will put the pepper. Twist it more. Okay?
Lisa,
We'll put the olive oil.
here.
Okay. Just a dash of it. Little only, okay? A little bit more, please. Enough. That's enough. Thank you.
Mixing time.
Okay. But you need to hold the bowl. You hold this, the other one. Yeah. So it will not fall.
Huh?
So what are you making? What are you making? Carrot salad
Carrot salad.
with cucumber.
It's pepper.
Okay. Good job, Trevor.
Finish.
Put what?
Message.
Sesame seeds. Wow. That's a lot.
Yeah. Isa.
How is it na?
Isa.
Oh, mix mo na. But you mix it slowly, ah. Baka matapon. Be careful. So, how was it, Trevor?
Nice.
You like
Yeah.
making carrot salad? Huh? You're the best. Approve. Approve.
Help people.
You will eat it?
Yeah.
Oh, eat nga. Wow.
In the room.
Okay, oh, I put it in the fridge to help mommy. Okay, thank you. Wow. Wow. You know na?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for helping me. Oh, no. How about the plates? Trevor. How about the plates? Nakapigbayad pa yan.
I want to put it.
Madali. The spoon. How about the spoon?
Tapon.
Oh, pidating kayad pa yan. Oh.
Ay!
Madali na. Oh, wash mo na sila. Wash mo na sila ng water. Oops.